Now, the All Saints Cathedral was packed to the rafters as family and friends of the football journalist and player James Oduor celebrated his life in a memorial service. Oduor, popularly known as Odu Cobra, met his death in the 14 Riverside terrorist attack. He was the founder of the online football channel Wadau TV. James Oduor, popularly known as Odu Cobra, was a man of the people. Brought up in the Kariakor area of Nairobi, Odu grew up to be an influential figure in Kenyan football with his online football channel Wadau TV, becoming a voice of the masses regarding football. Odu Cobra and 20 others died during the Dusit D2 terrorist attack at 14 Riverside Drive on the 15th of January. And a huge congregation of family, friends and colleagues packed the All Saints Cathedral in Nairobi on Thursday for his Requiem Mass. Speaker after speaker spoke of Odu's influence on their lives, with his wife Diana Otieno capturing the somber mood.
I still pledge my love for you and that nothing can come between us. We may be separated in body, but in spirit we are still a team. I am still your missus. And you're still my mister, the father of my children.
The 35-year-old Odu Cobra was an employee in the customer care department at LG Electronics, but was also a passionate supporter of Kenyan football on and off the pitch. Oduor made the cut in the 2019 AIPS Sports Media Awards top 10 finalists from each continent in the sports blog category. His co-host Roy Keke Ochieng pledged to ensure that Wadau TV lived on.
I don't know how to express this one, but it's so sad. It's hurting. And as a football community, we've lost a big person. We've lost a rocking stone.
Odu Cobra is survived by his wife and 2 children, Janelle and Giovanni, and will be laid to rest this Saturday in Ukwala, Siaya County.